How much to charge for editing documents? The average cost to charge for editing documents is $2 to $5 per page. This includes both proofreading and substantive editing. If you are an experienced editor, you can charge more than $5 per page because your skills are worth it. However, if you are a new editor or have never edited before, then it is best to charge $2 to $5 per page because that will give the client a sense of your experience level and offer them a better deal for their money. Many factors to decide what to charge for editing documents. This process includes checking for grammar and spelling errors, as well as making sure that the content is properly structured and coherent. The charge for editing documents will depend on the editor's experience, skill level, and the type of work they are doing. Here are some basic factors to keep in mind when pricing a document. The longer the document, the more time it will take to edit. Complexity. Editing documents with complicated formatting, specialized technical content, or difficult language may require more time than other documents. Experience of the editor. Editors with more experience may charge higher rates because they can complete edits faster. In short, the price of editing documents will depend on the type and length of document. For instance, a few $100s can be charged for editing a book manuscript, while the price for editing a short article can be $30 to $45. Thanks for watching. tcc6.com